Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is AngularJS services. What we discuss on today? AngularJS services. I will explain in this tutorial what is service and why you use services. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon, also can directly get notifications to your channel. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today? Services. In AngularJS, you can make your own services or use one of many built-in services. In AngularJS, you can make your own service and you are using many built-in services. What is services? First of all, what is services? In AngularJS, a service is a function. In AngularJS, a service is a function or object that is available for and limited to your AngularJS application. First of all, what is services? In AngularJS, service is a function or object that is available for limited to your AngularJS application. AngularJS has about 30 built-in services. AngularJS has 30 built-in services. One of them is the location services. Today in this tutorial, we discuss on the location service. I will explain with the example also how to write location service and how to use location service. The location service has methods which return information about the location of the current web page. Location service has a methods which returns information about the location of the current web page. Note that the location service is passed into your controller as an argument. The location service is passed into the controller as an argument. In order to use service in the controller, it must be defined as a dependency. What is the next one? Why we use services? Why use services? For many services like the location service, it seems like you could use objects that are already in the DOM, like the window.location object, and but it would have some limitations, at least for your AngularJS application. AngularJS has constantly supervises your application. AngularJS constantly supervises your application and for it to handle changes and events properly. AngularJS prefers that you use the location service instead of the window location. Window.location. Location service instead of the window.location object. Okay guys, I'm going to explain what is the how to write services using in Angular. This is the example here. This is the URL of this page. URL or location of this web page. Location of this web page is C drive, users, HTML folder, documents, Angular, tutorial 13th. Okay. How to write this location service with example. HTML language EM. Right. AngularJS services. AngularJS services tutorial. Okay. Body. H1. SHS Tech Solutions. Right. Okay. Next, NGF, yeah, NG controller, the URL of this page is basically my URL. Okay. Next, here, next I will write the script. Before write the script, I call the script file, Angular script file. Script source from script folder Angular min.js. Extra JavaScript. Okay. Next, here I am write the script. Where, yeah, Angular.module Maya controller. Function dollar scope. Here I am pass the dollar location service is a argument in controller. Okay, the dollar location is a argument. Here in description, I am explaining dollar location service is passed into the controller as an argument. In order to use the service in the controller, it must be defined as a dependency. Here I am pass the argument. Okay. Next, dollar scope dot my URL dollar location ABS URL. Okay. ABS URL means alternate URL. Okay. Once you check the output, once I will close this. Brackets. This is the output. This is the observable URL of this web page. This is the observable URL of this web page. Next, here I will write small CSS for this. Right? Okay, this is the output. Okay. This is the affiliate URL of this web page location. Okay, guys. I hope we all understand how to provide services and what is services and why we use services. If we have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provides all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Photoshop, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMO. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications for watching. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.